So this doesn't include though the land that's used to kind of grow the crops to feed the animals. So a lot of soy production, it contributes to kind of deforestation, that kind of thing. But that soy then goes to feed these animals. So I think the total percentage is a lot higher. I think it's like 30% of the land on the surface of the planet contributes to that agriculture sector overall. Okay, next got a few more.
Hi, I'm Hannah. I am a registered associate nutritionist from the UK, and we are here celebrating World Wellness Week at Ambong-Ambong in Langkawi. We're currently doing a food sustainability and waste workshop, and we've got nutrition workshops going on as well as some other wellness activities to celebrate this amazing World Wellness Week. Stay happy, eat lots of colour and enjoy your food.